Hello everybody, today I want to share with you my brand new purchase from yesterday, and surprise as you can see is not Louis Vuitton. It's actually my very first Balenciaga bag. I have not been particularly intrigued with the Balenciaga bags in the past, but recently I've been wanting to venture out of the Louis Vuitton world, so to speak, and so I started doing some research on Balenciaga bags as well as watching a bunch of YouTube videos. So everything led to my purchase yesterday, which was very exciting. So here it is. I went to the Balenciaga store in Bell Harbor in Miami, and this is the shopping bag that came with my purchase, and this is the receipt. And the sales associate's business card. And this is the big drawstring white dust bag with Balenciaga's name in the center. What I decided to get after trying on a few bags was the black work bag with giant 12 gold hardware. So here it is. I knew I wanted to get a work bag with giant gold hardware, but I was just indecisive on the color. I tried on a few pink ones, but I ultimately decided on the traditional black color. I love the giant gold hardware against the black leather. And it is lambskin, and it is very soft and smells divine. Smells so good. There is a front pocket with a leather tab zipper pull, and that's the attached mirror. And there are the cards and the swatch of the leather that came with the bag. So the control card, the leather swatch, tag, and the care card. So that's the front pocket. Tuck this tassel in, and the 4 feet on the bottom. The hand stitch handles are just beautiful. It's very intricate and gorgeous. It has a zipper top closure, and it's the leather tab zipper pull again. The zipper is very soft. Not small, soft, very smooth. The inside is just black cloth lining. It's hard to see on camera. It's one big hole. There's a zipper pocket inside. And this is the hand tag still attached. And that's the Balenciaga embossed leather tab. I don't quite know what all those numbers mean. and it says made in Italy. I think it's hard to see. And on the other side there are two patch pockets. So I like the work bag because of how roomy it is and how much stuff it can fit inside. And as much as I like the city bag with the shoulder strap, I still prefer the work bag because of its size. And I can't wait for the leather to break in and the bag starts to slouch and sag as it ages. So this bag, since it doesn't come with a shoulder strap, you can carry it like this on your hand, in the crook of your arm, or you can wear it over your shoulder like this using just the handle. So yeah, it's my first Balenciaga bag. I'm very excited about this purchase, and I'm planning to get another work bag hopefully in the future, maybe in a fun color, a bright color, and probably with regular hardware, so I get the tasseled. It's very pretty. I like the tasseled look as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.